rental requirements and you are watching video property. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark reviews, amenities of the hotel, and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, property location and reviews and nearby attractions and landmark also. You will find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests where their statements review rating is 8.0, which is the very good. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this property. The property accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold and prior to arrival. One category of rooms is online and enjoy your stay. Deals and offers are available online for this property along with various plans and payment policy. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. For more details, go to the